Arrange the supplied fitting kit with the bonnet protector. Clean the bonnet with the supplied alcohol wipe. Place the bonnet protector on the car and mark with a non-marking pen where the pre-drilled holes on the protector are. Fit the protection tape where the location holes were marked. There are 4 silver clips for the center and 2x heavy-duty clips for the wings. Fit the 4 supplied clips with the plastic cover and screw like so. This is how you assemble the 2x wing clips. Remove the locator pin and fit through the bonnet protector. Fix the screw with the locking bracket loosely. Tighten the 4x screws to the underside of each bracket from the center. If tightened correctly, there will be no gaps like so. After checking the bonnet protector is central to the vehicle, tighten the top screws. Close all dust caps once screws are tightened. Easy as that. Stand back and admire your handiwork. We do recommend applying medium strength thread locker for off-road applications.